Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the topic of profit and loss, and their profit percentage, loss percentage, discount. About discount also. Let us discuss it. Okay. Actually, we know that when you buy any item for some amount, like 100 rupees, you are buying one item or one article, whatever, and you are selling for more than 100, you will get profit. Okay, na? That means you are buying for 100 rupees. When you are selling more than 100, you will get profit. If you sell less than 100, you will get loss. Okay, na? Profit means buying is considering as cost price. If cost price is less than selling price, you got profit. Or selling price is more than cost price. Selling price is more than cost price, you got profit. Selling price is less than cost price, you will get profit. So you will get loss. So profit is nothing but selling price is more than cost price. Selling price is more than cost price, you will get profit. Same way loss is selling price is less than cost price. Okay, na? Selling price is less than cost price. Here CP value is more. So for identification of profit and loss, both we are just comparing with cost price. Okay, na? Selling price more than cost price, profit, less than cost price is loss. So cost price is fixed value. That means based on the cost price only, profit and loss is depending on. Profit and loss is depending on cost price. So that one only you write, just profit and loss, both of them. Profit and loss depends on cost price. CP means cost price. SP means selling price. Okay, na? Yeah. That means to calculate profit percentage, loss percentage also, we should consider on cost price. So formula for profit percentage. Profit percentage or gain percentage. Gain or profit both are same. Is depending on cost price. So profit percentage equals to profit by CP into 100%. Same way loss percentage formula, loss by CP into 100%. Okay, na? Now market price list means discount. We'll discuss about the discount later. So profit loss, profit percentage and loss percentage. Okay, na? So let us see some basic problems based on this concept. Okay. Yeah. First problem. If an article is purchasing for 450 rupees, purchasing is not means buying. Buying means cost price. So cost price of an article is 450 rupees and it is sold for 500 rupees. Sold means selling price 500 rupees. So we need to identify the profit or gain percentage. Selling price is more than cost price or not? Yes. How much rupees profit you got? 50 rupees. How much rupees? 50 rupees. So profit percentage is equals to profit by CP into 100. Because profit or loss is depends on cost price. CP value 450 into 100. So denominator 0, numerator 0 cancel. 5 table 45 9 times. So 100 by 9. 9 table 100 won't come. Convert into mixed fraction. 9 11s 99. 1 remainder. So 11 1 by 9 percentage is gain percentage or profit percentage. Okay, now. So let us go to the next problem. The second problem is if a cycle bought for 900 rupees, so cost price is 900 rupees and selling price is 1080 rupees. Selling price is 1080 rupees. So we need to identify the gain. So selling price is more than cost price. So directly we can subtract selling price minus cost price will be gain. So 1080 minus 900. After subtract, you will get 108 rupees. Correct? 180 rupees. 900 plus 180, 1080. Third problem. Yeah. A shopkeeper bought an article for 675. So cost price is 675 and sold for 900. Selling price is 900. How much rupees profit you have? Profit is 225 rupees. Because 900 minus 675 is 225 rupees. So we need to identify the percentage. So profit percentage formula, profit by CP into 100. So substitute the value, profit is 225 and cost price is 675 into 100. Try to cancel 25 table or 25 25s are 625. So 27 times. Okay na? Here 25 table 9 times. And 9 table directly 3 times, 100 by 3. So 3 table in 100, 3 3s are 9, 33, 1 by 3 percentage. 33, 1 by 3 percentage. You do division, you will get the remainder one, convert into mixed fraction. Okay na? Let us go to the problem number 4. Yeah, fourth problem, the cost price of radio is 1500. Again cost price, 1500 is given. And the sold by 1230, find loss percentage. 1230 rupees, that means less than cost price, you will get loss. You will get loss. How many rupees loss you get? That is 270 rupees loss you will get. Okay, subtract both of them. So find loss percentage. Loss percentage, loss by CP into 100. That is 270 by 1500. Into 100, 2 zeros cancel, both are cancelled in 3 table 9 times, here 5 times. 3 table 9 times, 3 9s 27, 3 5s 15. Now 5 table 18 times. So loss percentage is equals to 18%. Okay na? Let us go to the next problem. Yeah. So question number 5, very important problem. See here, there are selling price of 150 mangoes. By selling 150 mangoes, a fruit seller gains selling price of 30 mangoes. Selling price of 30 mangoes. Find the gain percentage. After selling 150 mangoes, he got the profit, gain it seems. How much gain? 30 selling price rupees. We don't know. So let us take selling price of 1 mango. Mangoes only, no? Yeah. Selling price of 1 mango, let us take X rupees. That X can be 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, we don't know. X rupees. Then what is the selling price of 150 mangoes? 150 mangoes, 150X. Okay, na? And he got the profit of 30 selling price. So selling price of 30 mangoes. 30 only, no? Yeah, selling price of 30 mangoes. Selling price of 30 mangoes is 30x. He got already gain. So let us find the gain. Gain or profit both are same. So formula SP minus CP. Okay, na? So SP value is 150. CP value we don't know. So bring this minus CP this side becomes plus CP. Gain this side minus gain. Okay na? So 150x minus 30x, that is equals to 120x. So this is the cost price of 150 mangoes. Now profit percentage or gain percentage. So gain by CP into 100. How much gain we have? 30x is gain. Cost price 120x. That is equals to 100. X cancel. 30 table 124 times exactly. So 100 by 4. 4 table 100, 25%. So gain percentage is 25%. Okay na? So let us go to the problem number 6. Problem number 6 also same model. So you just try based on this. Problem number 7. Okay. The cost price of an article is 500, selling price 600, profit or loss. 500, 600 profit only 100 rupees. So directly you can do very easy problem. Now let us go to the 8th problem. So dealer selling price is 2390 rupees ceiling fan and a profit is 120.50, then cost price of ceiling fan. So subtraction only, no? Selling price minus profit will give you the selling price minus profit. Selling price minus profit will give you the cost price. Selling price minus profit will give you the profit. So you can try 8th problem also. So let us go to the 9th question. Cost price 500, selling price 565, gain or loss. Until then we discuss the same models. So these are all similar problems. You can try by your own. Let me discuss question number 10. The profit made on a package of tea 4 rupees. The cost price of a packet is 20 rupees. Then the profit percentage. Directly profit given and CP is given. Profit percentage. Write profit percentage formula. Profit is 4 rupees. Cost price is 20 rupees. Profit percentage we should find. Profit percentage is profit by CP into 100%. So 4 by 20 into 100. Yeah. So 4 table 5 times. 5 table here 20 times. 20%. Okay, na? So question number 11, not the 11, exercise 1 problems. Yeah, exercise 1 problems. Yeah, first question, Rajendra buys cycle for 250 rupees and sells for 300, profit percentage. So similar question, I am leaving it. Second problem, a man bought 600 tables at 80 rupees each. How many tables? 600 tables, each one 80 rupees. Each one 80 rupees, okay. And he sold 500 of them for profit of 10 rupees per table. 500 tables, selling price of 500 tables for 10 rupees on one table, he sold for 10 rupees profit. Okay. In order to make profit of 20% on whole transaction, at what price should he sell the remaining tables? Okay. So first of all, let us find the cost price of 60 tables. 600 tables. So cost price of 600 tables equals to 600 into 80, that is equals to 48,000 rupees. 6 8s are 48, 48,000 total cost. Now among them, he sold 500 tables, each one 10 rupees profit. Actually buying value 80 rupees each, 10 rupees each one means 90 rupees he has to sell. So selling price of 500 is 90 into 500 rupees. So 45,000 rupees. Remaining how many are there? 100 are there because total 600, remaining 100 tables. 45,000. So 100 tables to cover 3,000 rupees because difference between cost price and selling price. By selling 500 tables, he got 45,000. Buying 600 tables, 48,000. So difference 3,000 rupees will be there. The 3,000 rupees should be covered in 20% profit. How much? 20%. How many are there? 100 tables are there. Okay, na? So in order to make profit of 20% of table, then what is the cost price? So what should be the selling price of the remaining table? Selling price of remaining table for getting profit 20%. Okay, na? So let cost price. So 100 tables cost price is remaining 3,000 now. 100 tables cost price is 100 into 80, So remaining, on remaining or overall, yeah, in order to make profit of 20% on the whole, total 20%. That means it should get 120 percentage of total value. Total value is 48,000. Okay, na? On whole transaction. Let us find 120 by 100 into 48,000. So 2 zeros cancel. 12 48s. 48 12s are. So this is 96 and 48. So 57,600 rupees whole transaction. Okay, na? 20% means he has to sell for 57,600. And actually he already sold for 45,000. Let us identify the remaining cost of 100 tables equals to 57,600 minus 45,000. So 600, yeah, it is 126, that means 12,600 rupees. So divided by 100, so each table cost is 126 rupees. So remaining 100 tables to get a whole transaction of 20%, he has to sell 126 rupees for each one. Let us go for the third problem. Yeah, a house is sold for 1230, loss 18%. Selling price is 1230, loss we got 18%. That means cost price is definitely more than selling price. That's why we got less loss. Okay, what should have been gained or loss percent if it had been sold for 1600? If it is sold for 1600, what is the gain or loss percentage? So let us take that cost price is 100%. Let cost price is 100%. If we get that 18% is loss, 18% is loss means then selling price will be 82%. Am I right? 100 minus 18 is 82. And we know that 82% cost is 1230. Then 100% cost how much? Or directly 1600 is given, no? Selling price is 1600, how much you will get? How much percentage you will get? If the answer is getting more than 100%, we will get profit, less than 100% we will get loss. How much money? 1600. For 1600, how much percentage? So let us take this one x value. Or x value we should find. So more by less, or 1600 by 1230 into 82. Try to do cancellation for getting x value. Okay. Cancellation is, I think, 41 table 3 times. 41 table 3 times. Here 2 times. Okay. Now 0 0 cancel. X value 160 into 2 by 3. Okay. So answer is 320 by 3. Let us try to find the x value. 3 tens are 30, 3 6 are 18.66 like that. That means 106.66%. So we'll get profit of 6.66% or 6.2 by 6%, whatever. That is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. Yeah, problem number 4. Problem number 4 is given that a man buys a cycle for 1400 rupees and sells it at loss of 15%. We got the loss, it seems. 1400 loss means selling price is less than 1400. What is the selling price of the cycle? We can directly find. So 1400 is cost price, no? 1400 cost price is considering as 100%. And he got the loss of how much rupees? 15% rupees. So selling price will be 85%. So what is the value of 85%? So 85 by 100 into 1400. So two zeros cancel. Selling price is 85 into 14. 85 into 14. So multiply. Yeah, 4 5s 20, 4 32, 34, 185 is 85. It is 1190. So selling price of the article is 1190 rupees. Let us go to the next problem. The fifth problem is given. Sam purchased 20 dozens of toys. 20 dozens of toys at the rate of 375 per dozen. Total 20 dozens. Dozen means how much? 12. Dozen means 12. So simply 20 into 12. These many articles or these many things. Toys. At the rate of 375 per dozen rupees. So purchase 375 rupees per dozen. How many are there? 20 dozens. So cost price is 375 into 20. Okay, na? Sorry, 375 into 20. Because 20 dozens are there. Dozen cost is 375. Okay. Next, he sold that one of them at the rate of 33. One of them at the rate of 33. What is his profit percentage? Okay, so let us find the cost price of one dozen, or one of them means let us find that one value. 20 dozens cost. Let us find one dozen cost. Okay, na? Yeah, 20 dozens cost is 20 into 375 and one dozen cost is 375 rupees. One dozen cost is 375 rupees. 20 dozens cost is 20 into 375. Let us find that one article cost. So cost of only one article or one toy. So 375 by 12. Okay, no? 375 by 12. Now after cancellating in 3 table, 3 fours, 3 12s are 36, 5s, 125 by 4 rupees. And he sold it for one of the value, sorry. Each cost of them is sold, each one of them is rupees at the rate of 33 rupees. What is the profit percentage? Okay, so let me tell you once again. Yeah, problem number 5. One dozen cost 375 rupees. One dozen cost is 375 rupees. Dozen means how many things? 12 things. So 12 things cost is 12 toys cost is 375 rupees. One toy cost is nothing but 375 by 12. One toy or one thing cost is 375 by 12. Okay, now? So let us try to cancellate in 3 table. 3 fours, 3 12s are 36, 125 by 4. So after cancellating 4 3s, 4 1s, 13, 1 by 4 is the cost of one toy, cost price of one toy. But he selling for 33 rupees. Selling price of one toy is equals to 33 rupees. Nothing but 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25. Okay, na? So profit or gain is 33 minus 31.25. How much? 1.25 rupees is gain. Now gain percentage. Gain percentage is equals to gain by CP. That means 31.25 into 100. Or we can do in another way also. So let us try this one only. So point cancel, 125 by 3125 into 100. 5 table here 20 times. 5 6 are, 5 2s are, 5 5s are. So here it is cancelled in 5 times. So 20 by 5, that is equals to 4%. Okay now? So let us go to the next problem. Let us go to the next problem, problem number 6. Yeah, sixth problem is Karim bought 150 dozens of pencils. 150 dozens. Yeah, 150 dozens of pencil at 10 rupees per dozen. 1 dozen is 10 rupees. 150 dozens, 1 dozen is 10 rupees. So cost price is 1 dozen 10 rupees means 1500 is the total cost price. Okay. Next, it is overhead expenses were 100 rupees. So for expenses also we are considered as cost price only. So total cost price for this expense is 1500 plus 100, 1600. And he sold there 12 rupees each. He sold there 12 rupees each. What is the profit or loss percentage? Each one sold for 12 rupees. So selling price of one dozen equals to 12 rupees. Let us identify the value of overall profit or loss. Total how many dozens are there? 150 dozen. So each one bought for 10 rupees and expenses is 100 rupees. So total expenses are 1600 and selling price of 1 dozen is 12 rupees. Then selling price of 150 dozens equals to 150 into 12. Okay, na? 150 into 12. So 15 12s are 1800. 15 12s are 180, here 100. So compare the total cost price and selling price. How much difference? 200 is difference. So profit is 200. Profit percentage, profit by CP into 100. Here 8 times 100 by 8. Nothing but 100 once, 8 table 1 time, 2 times 4 by 8, so 1.5, 12.5 percentage. Okay, na? Or 12 1 by 2 percentage, we can write like that also. Let us go to the next question. The problem is, the Neeru bought 1600 bananas at 3.75 rupees per dozen. Important problem. 1600 bananas. 1600 bananas at 3.75 rupees per dozen. That means 1 dozen cost 3.75 rupees. Next, sold 900 of them for 2 rupees. 900 of them, 2 for 1. 2 for 1 means each one half rupee. That means 2 bananas for 1 rupees. 900 is sold like that. 900 sold like 2 per 1. 2 per 1 rupee. That means 900 is 2 per 1 rupee means each one half rupee. That means selling price of 900 is half of 900. So that means 450 rupees is sold. Okay. Out of 1600, 450 rupees is sold. And next, remaining 5 for 2 rupees. Remaining how many are there? 1600 minus 900 is 700 are there. So remaining 700 are given. Each one, that means 5 bananas for 2 rupees is given. So cost of 700 selling price is 500 for 2 rupees, 2 for 5, 2 rupees, 5 for 2 rupees. So 5 table here, 5 ones, 5 fours 20, yeah, 140, so 280 rupees. So total selling price is 450 plus 280. So how much? 730 rupees, correct? Yeah, 730 rupees. Now let us identify the cost of 1600 bananas. But total cost price we should know now. Total cost price is equals to, for dozen, 3.75 rupees by 12. Okay, na? That means without the point we can write the denominator 100. So both are cancelled in 4 table 3 times, 4 times. So 4 into 375 by 3. So 3 table 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 fives are, nothing but 500 rupees. So total cost price is 500 rupees. Total selling price is 730 rupees. Overall profit or loss? Profit only. 730 is more than 500. So we should find the overall profit. Yeah, profit or loss. So profit equals to 230 rupees by 500 into 100. Here 5 table cancel. 5 fours 20. Yeah, 5 six are. So profit is 46%. Okay. Let us go to the next problem. Problem number 8. Yeah, eighth problem is given that a shopkeeper makes profit of 15% by selling book for 230 rupees. Selling price is 213, even though he got the profit of 15%. That means cost price is 100%, 15% profit, it will be 115% cost. 115% cost. Then what is the cost price of actual one? So 100% value we should find. So 100 value is less than 115. So less by more into 230. So exactly 2 times 2 into 100. 200 will be the cost price. Okay, na? Let us go to the next problem. Problem number 9. Yeah, ninth question is given. A bookseller sells his books at the profit of 10%. So selling price 110% we can take. Okay. And if he buys a book from the distributor is 200 rupees, how much does it sell it for? So 100% consider his cost price is 200 rupees. And selling price is 10% profit means 110% is how much? Okay, na? So 110 by 100 into 200. So selling price will be 220 rupees. Selling price will be 220 rupees. Okay, na? So let us go to the question number 10. On selling an article of 144 rupees, a man loses 10%. Selling price is 144 rupees. 10% loss, that means 90% value is 144. Okay, and what should he sell to gain 10%? So to gain 10%, let us find the cost price. Cost price, let us take it as 100%. So cost price is equals to 100 by 144. 100 by 90 into 144. Okay, na? So 9 table 10 times, here 9 table or here 0 cancel, and 9 table 144, 9 ones are 9 sixes. So cost price is 160 rupees. So to get the 10% profit selling price, how much he has to sell? 10% profit he need. That means let us find 110% value. How much? Or directly you can write it here 110% value, you will get it. Okay, na? Directly you can find the 110% value also. Required value is taken as 110% because you should get that 10% profit. So 110 by 90% into 144. So cancellation 16 times. So 176 rupees he has to sell. Okay. So let us go to the next problem. Problem number 11. So 11th problem is given that a watch was sold for 9% loss, and it was served that if we selling price was 420 rupees more than the profit made would be 5%. What is the actual selling price of the watch? Okay. Actually, for selling price for the watch, he got loss 9%. 9% loss means loss how much? 9% loss means he sell for 91 percentage rupees. 9% loss means he sold for 91 percentage. Okay, na? And clearly given that the selling price is 420 more. So instead of 91% value like 600 something, whatever the value, X value, if we sell for more than the selling price is 420 rupees, he would have 5% profit. Okay, na? 420 more. 420 more, he will get 5% profit. That means 105% it will be. 5 more percent profit. So 91 to 105, how much difference? 16, yeah. So this is 14% different. That means 14 percentage value is 420. That means extra value only, that one? Yeah, 420 value. We need to identify the selling price of the watch. Actual selling price, 91% how much? So 91 by 14 into 420. So 3 times 30 times cancel. So 2730 rupees. Multiply with it. Let us go to the next problem. Okay, na? The profit earned by selling a phone of 18,000 rupees is same as the loss incurred the use of watch for 16,800 rupees. So what is the cost of the phone? What is the cost price of the phone? Okay, let us see that. Let us see that. Yeah, 12th question. The profit earned by selling a phone is 18,000 rupees. So selling price of phone is 18,000 rupees. He will get the profit, it seems. But how much profit? We don't know. But if the watch is sold for 16,000 rupees, this is for what? First one for phone. And watch is selling price is 16,800 rupees. What is the cost price of phone? And clearly given that here he got loss, here he got profit. Here profit, how much profit, how much loss? According to the problem, it is given that for selling this one will get how much profit, that much of loss on watch will be there. Cost price of 18,000 we should find. Okay. Okay, cost price of phone we should find. Let us consider that X% profit. Here he made the profit X%. Here he made the profit loss X%. Okay, na? And let us try to identify the difference between them. What is the difference? Difference equals to here 200, 1200 rupees is different. Correct? 17,000, 1200 rupees is different. This 1200 rupees I am just dividing equally because same profit is getting now. So 600 rupees profit here, 600 rupees loss here. So cost price of phone is 18,000 minus 600 rupees. Let us remove the 600 rupees. It will be 17,400. Okay, na? And here 600 means here also 17,400 will be there. Let us go to the problem number 13. Yeah, by selling a lemons of 45 lemons for 40 rupees. 45 lemons for 40 rupees. Okay. A man loses 20% money. A man loses 20%. That means he lost 20% of money. This is the cost of 80% rupees. So 80% of money is 40 rupees. Let us find the cost price of 45 lemons. 100% value how much? 100 by 80 into 40, exactly 2 times, so 50 rupees. So cost of 45 lemons is 50 rupees. Okay na? Now 24, yeah. How many should he sell for rupees of 24 to gain 20% profit? He got a 20% profit now it seems. How many he has to sell for 24 rupees? Okay na? Yeah. So let us see, for getting 20% profit, 120% of this 50 rupees, let us find it. 120% means 120 by 100 into 50, that is nothing but 60 rupees. That means if he is selling for total lemons for 60 rupees, he will get a 20% profit. Okay na? That means 45 out of how many will get 20 rupees. Okay na? 45 rupees, sorry, 45 lemons for 60 rupees, he will get 20% profit now. How many he has to sell? 45 for 60, how many for 24 rupees? Okay. So 24 by 60 into 45, 15 table 3 times, 4 times, 4 table 6 times, 18. 18 he has to sell. Okay. So let us go to the next problem. So next problem is 14th one. Yeah, 14th one. Tarun got 30% concession in the labeled price. Here labeled price concept came. Labeled price or list price or marked price all are same. Actually labeled price means a shopkeeper, what he'll do, he'll buy an item for some other cost. We don't know that cost. But in the place of that cost, he will label one more value. That means he'll increase the cost and he'll label it. That is called label price. For example, I am doing a business. I just bought an item for 100 rupees. But if I sell the same item for 100 rupees, I won't get profit and all. Okay. That's why what I do it, in the place of 100 rupees, I will give 175 rupees. I'll market 175 rupees. Then I'll sell. Then I will get the good business and I will get the profit. Okay na? Same way here also label price means marked price all are same. Except the original value, he will mark some other extra value. Okay na? Yeah. Tarun got 30% construction or concession on. Tarun got 30% concession on marked price. I am taking that labeled price or marked price 100%. Okay, market price or label price, let us take it as MP. And here you should remember that discount, that means some of the shopping malls and while you are observing, you will get that 50% discount, 40% discount or market price, they will say that. Okay, na? So discount is depending on market price, you remember that. And discount percent is discount by MP into 100. Okay, so after market price, if you remove discount, you will get the selling price. Okay, let us see that. So market price of an article is 30% discount and he will get that selling price is 8,750 rupees. And with 25% profit on the price he bought, what is the label price? So let us consider the labeled price is 100% and he got the 30% discount. That means after discount 30%, he sold for 8,750. That means 100% value we should find, but we know the value of 70%. That means after discount 30%, remaining 70% will be there. So 8,750. So let us find the 100%. 100 by 70 into 8,750. This will be the market price. So 0 0 cancel, 7 1s are 7 2s are 7 5s, 125 times. 125 into 100, 12,500 will be market price. Let us go to the market price. What is the label price he asked? 30%. Yeah, what was the labeled price? Labeled price or market price only we have found that. Okay, let us go to the next problem. 15% means 15th question. Yeah, that is given that Subramaniam bought 100 eggs for 50 out of these 50 rupees. Out of these, 4 eggs were found to be broken. So 100 eggs for 50 rupees. 100 eggs he bought for 50 rupees. 4 eggs are broken. So how many eggs are there? 96 eggs are remaining. Okay, now 4 is broken. Yeah. Next, he sold the remaining eggs at the rate of 8.50 per dozen. So selling price of 96 eggs is 8.75 rupees per dozen. So 96 by 12. Okay, no? Next, 8.50, not 75, 8.50, 8.5 rupees per dozen. Find his gain or loss percent. Let us see this. 4, 12 table, 12 8s are 96. Okay, na? 8 into 8.5. 8 into 8.5 we can write as 8 1 by 2, so 17 by 2 we can write. 17 by 2 into 8, so 4 times 4 17s. So 4 times 40 plus 28, 68 rupees. So what is the profit here? So he bought for 50 rupees, sold for 68 rupees, so profit is 18 rupees. Okay, na? So let us go to the percentage also asked. So profit percentage is equal to 18 by 50 into 100. So 2 times cancel, 18 to 36 percentage. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Problem number 16. Yeah. A tradesman marks his good 30% above the cost price. So cost price, let us take it as 100%. Market price will be 130% because 30% extra on cost price. And also, if he allows a discount of 6 1/4%, then his gain percentage. So he is given that 6 1/4% on 30%. Okay, na? 6 1/4% of 130 will be the discount. That is equals to, convert that 6 1/4 into the mixed fraction to improper. That will be 25/400 into 130. Okay, na? So after cancellation here, 0 0 5 table here 8 times, here 5 table 5 times. So 5 into 13 by 8. That is the value for discount. Okay, na? So 5 13s are 65, 65 by 8. This is discount amount. Let us check the discount amount is definitely less than 100 rupees. Am I right? We need to subtract that also. Okay, so cancellation, do that 8 table, 8 8s are 64, 1/4%, 68 1/4 rupees is discount. 8 1/4 rupees is discount. Subtract 130 minus 8 1/4 are nothing but 8.25. So selling price is market price minus discount, that is 130 minus 8.25. So 130 minus 8, 122, so 121.75 rupees. Okay, na? So this is the selling price. So even though you get the profit, so profit equals to how much? 21.75 rupees. So it is finding the value for 100. 21.75% is only the profit by 100. CP into 100 now. So 21.75 we can write 3/4. 21 3/4% is profit. Let us go to the next problem. or 7 by 8 also you can write. So let us go to the next problem, problem number 17. Yeah, Naresh bought an article of 240 rupees and marked its 20% above the cost price. He bought for 240 rupees. Bought means cost price is 240 rupees and 20% above the cost price. That means if you consider cost price is 100%, then marked price will be 120%. Okay, na? Next, after that, he sold it an article for 264 rupees. Selling price is also given, that is 264 rupees. Okay, na? So after allowing a certain discount on the market price, then the discount allowed by him is discount allowed in percentage. Okay, na? So let us find the market price first. What is the market price? So market price equals to cost price 100%, market price 120. So 120 by 100 into 240. So denominator 2 zeros, numerator 2 zeros cancel. Therefore the market price is 12 24s. So 24 into 12. So 2 table 48 and 24. So 288 rupees is market price. But selling price is 264. Selling price is 264. Then discount will be 24 rupees. So discount percentage we should find. So discount percentage is depends on market price. So 24 by 288 into 100. How many times? 22 times. Okay, na? Yeah, 22 times. Sorry. 12 times. 100 by 12. Again cancel 25 times. 3 times. 4 table. 25 by 3. 8 1 by 3 percentage is discount. Okay. Do cancellation, you will get that. Let us go to the next problem. That is 18th one is given. An industrialist purchased an building of 20 lakhs rupees. Cost of building, cost price of building is 20 lakhs. Okay, na? And he spent 30% cost on developing and dividing into 60 units. 30% cost. Let us consider this one 100%. 30% also spend. Let us find 130% value. 130 by 100 into total cost price into 20 lakh. Okay, na? So yeah, 2 zeros cancel. 2 13s are 26. So 26 lakhs will be. So nothing but 26 lakh. Total cost price, and is dividing into 60 units divided by 6. So each unit cost will be 26 lakhs by 6. So both will cancel in 3 table. Sorry, 2 table 3 times. Here 13 times. 13 by 3 lakh. Each one is 13 by 3 lakh rupees. Okay. Next, what he did. If he wants to earn 35 rupees, 35% of profit in his total investment, on the total investment he want 35% profit, then how much price of each unit he has to charge? Each unit charge we should find. How much one he want? 35% profit. So let us consider this one is total cost price. Cost of each unit. He want 35%. Okay, na? So selling price is equals to 135% of 13 by 3 lakh. Okay. So 135 means 135 by 100 into 13 lakh. 13 after 5 zeros. So 13 by 3. So denominator 2 zeros, numerator 3 zeros. Sorry, 2 zeros cancel. So 3 table here, 3 4s. 3 5s, 45 times cancel. So 45 into 13,000. 45 into 13. Yeah, 45 into 13. Multiply 45 13s. So this is 135 and 45. So 585,000. So 5,85,000 rupees for each unit. Okay, na? Sorry, 58,500 actually. 10 I wrote extra, no? Yeah. Let us identify let us go to the next problem. So none of this is the answer for this. So 19th one you can try by your own. Let us go to the 20, 21, 22. 20th question. A man purchases two fans of 2,160 rupees. Cost of two fans. 2,160 rupees. And by selling one fan, he got the profit of 15% and another one is 9% loss. So he neither gains profit or neither loss on whole transaction. Find the cost price of each of them. So let us find the selling price of both of the fans is, cost price of each fan, both of the fans is 260. On first one he got that X rupees profit. So let us find that first fan cost of first fan, X rupees. So second fan cost is 2,160 minus X. And first one he got that 15% profit and second one is got that 9% loss. 15% cost means 115% of X. But overall he don't get profit or loss. That means both are equal. So 9% means 9% loss means 91% of 2,160 minus X. So identify the value both of them. 115 by 100 into X, 91% of 2,160 minus X. Both sides denominator cancel. Okay, na? Now 115X equals to 91 into 216. Multiply here. 216 into 91. So one table 216 as this. 9 6 are 54, 5, 14, 1. 9 2 is 18 plus 1, 19. So 196560 minus 91x. So this 91x transpose this set plus value. So 115 plus 91. 115 plus 91 is 206x. So x value is 196560 by 206. After cancelling all that, you will get the answer 1350. Okay. So remaining problem you can try. Only one problem is remaining. You can try by your own. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.